I'm not saying this is what Ferrula to do, but just to give you an idea what I tend to do in this situation with a dog of I wouldn't say age, but experience, is if I feel it's a good mark, I'll just leave the dog to try and solve it for itself. As long as I feel that the dog's trying to solve it with a method, I'm happy to let it carry on and try and solve it. As soon as some dogs, when they don't find, they tend to go quicker. As soon as I see that, what I call panic hunting setting in, I didn't see it there, so don't worry about that. As soon as I see a change in the fact that the dog's either not looking for it methodically, or it's hunting out of effort and not method, then I won't let the dog succeed and pick it. I'll just call it back. I'll walk out, I'll pick it up. What I feel a dog will learn from that is that it's clearly seen the mark, and I'm depriving the dog the opportunity to pick it. And I feel if the dog's motivated, that should actually hurt the dog psychologically, that it's not been allowed to carry on and complete the retrieve. Okay? Then all I'll do is repeat it. And again, as long as the behaviour is sensible, then I'll let it carry on and try and solve the problem. But what I don't want to see are what I would call irrational behaviour. Speeding up, looking in a place it obviously isn't, so if it lands there, I wouldn't expect them to look over there or over there. But she did a methodical job. She knew roughly where it was. Possibly she would still benefit from having some more, because she's relatively young, she'd probably benefit by still having more training to encourage her to mark the individual spot that it landed. If you noticed, Becca threw a white dummy. When it landed, it went straight in the mud and wasn't the visual stimulus that it could have been. But what Becca's bitch did is she never took her eye off of it. She knew exactly the spot where it went. So when she got there, her head practically landed on it and her body practically overtook her head. So that's showing you what I try and achieve with using a white dummy to get the dog to focus on that specific spot. Yeah? Okay, on we go.